Look at this cute mailbox cover that I got for my husband. This is canvas. I got it off of Temu. I'll leave a link. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, I'll leave a link below to this little item on Temu. We got an extra one for Halloween that we'll put out later. I'll show you that in a different video. But just look at this. How cute. Okay, so I thought the whole thing was going to be magnetic, the way that they did this, but there's just magnetic strips all the way down on each side of this. The other side just comes off like that. There's like a couple of magnetic strips on each side so that you can just kind of pose it around whatever. This was what our mailbox did look like. This is our neighbor's mailbox. This is the new one we got now that, well, we have mail. So anyway, yeah, it's great. And this works just fine, putting up the little flag. And I just thought that was so cheerful. All right, that's it. A+.